Hey guys, I'm back out here. I need to fall 29 trees before year's end. So today, I'm hoping just to fall them. I'm not worried about cleanup. I just would like to drop 3 safely without me getting hurt, but let's see. So I'm going to start with this tree here and let's get to it. Sure about this tree. It's leaning towards the camera, but I'd like to fall it that way, and I don't know which way it will go, so that's why the camera's kind of over there, because I don't know where this is going to fall, and hopefully if it falls towards the camera it will catch on that tree. But again, let's see if I can fall it the desired direction safely. I'm going to need these guys. I don't know if you can see the camera shot, but there's an alder maybe like 5 yards from here, and so I don't want it to fall that way. Oh, I should have got another short one instead of a tall one. I'm going to kick it for a minute and go grab another short wedge. I don't want another long one. I'll be right back. I got some more. So hopefully I can make it go that way. Might not be deep enough. We'll find out. I don't know if if I can make it go that way. Let me move these. Alright, I'm going to try and fall it, and wherever it goes, hopefully I can get out of the way in time. That doesn't make it lean far enough. Debating if I want to cut another face higher. Where am I gonna run? It's gonna fall that way, I can tell. Fudge. Do I just say hell with it and let it fall that way? I'm only overthinking it because I don't want to get hit with it. Don't want to pinch it. I try one more wedge. I just put them out of the way over here. I just never want to go into this too cautious. This tree could take me out easily. Yeah, it's not helping much. Suck ass. Maybe I don't want that and I'll just cut it. Yeah, it's leaning, so I'm just gonna say screw it and try and fall it that way. They all lean, which is fine. But like, I don't want them to all lean and have 20 widowmakers. It's gonna fall that way, hopefully, between the two trees. Towards the camera. Don't take out the camera. I'm like, ooh, this is dangerous. I have another face right there. Fudge. Are you kidding me? My wedges now. Go that way a little more, tree. Fudge. It off. I don't think the rope's strong enough, but I think we already got it caught up there on the cedar tree. So I'm gonna try, see if we can get it done. If not, I'm just gonna stop, put a tag on it so my dad and his buddy will be safe around it, and hopefully they could drop it for me. But let's give it one more shot. You can see my not so great craftsmanship, all the slits in the tree. But I'm just gonna leave it for now because I don't wanna, it could pop off any direction because I made that face. So I'm just gonna leave it, think about it, talk to the old timers and find another tree. So I don't get a knock that one off the list yet. Still 29 to go. I've been working down there at the bottom of that hill. I got this tree right here. It is still rooted into the ground. This one is also a severe leaner. First I thought it was cut and just waiting for the wind to blow it over. But no, it needs to come down. So I'm going to try this one and be more successful than the last one. There's a stump in front of me, stump right there. Not walking in front of it. I can't run too far, so this one's going to be successful. That one was good. That's a long sucker. 28 now. I just cut one down right there. Just moved up a little bit. Hopefully this guy will fall and not get caught. I'm surrounded by stumps. I got another one. I didn't get hurt and it didn't get caught up. I like it. I'm gonna clean it up and section it. Maybe I'll do one more or two more. We'll see how. I was cutting this up and my battery died. I didn't bring another backup. Yeah, I could get my gas powered one, but the sun's setting, so I'm just gonna call it a day. And on a positive note, as you can see, we look up the hill and there's many, many more that need to be cut down. So I'll be back in a couple days if it's not raining, and hopefully I could check some more off. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate all of you. Well, I came down here today. I didn't plan on filming. I just wanted to cut up and stack the wood that I've just fallen. I was very happy to see that the tree that I cut, that I didn't want to get hurt on, I just let it be. Thank goodness Mother Nature took care of it and dropped it for me right where I wanted it to go. But I'm just glad that it's down now. I don't have to worry about it falling on me. So that brings me down to 26 trees left for 2025.